Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SCE EV rebate and charging portal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering for the SCE EV rebate and charging portal, first, navigate to the official SCE website. Once on the website, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Type EV rebate into the search bar and hit enter. Find the link that directs you to the EV rebate program page. Read through the program details to ensure you qualify for the rebate. Scroll down to locate the Apply Now button on the page. Click on the Apply Now button to start your application process. You will be prompted to log into your account or create a new account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and address. Create a secure password for your new account, ensuring it meets security requirements. After filling in the information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification link to activate your account. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the SCE EV rebate portal and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, proceed to the application form for the EV rebate. Provide details about your electric vehicle, such as the make, model, and year. You'll also need to input your charging station information if applicable. Attach any required documentation, such as proof of purchase and installation. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate before submitting. Click the Submit button to complete your application. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application submission. Next, you'll navigate back to the SCE homepage to access the charging portal. Use the same login credentials you created earlier to sign in. Once signed in, locate the charging portal section on your dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to register your charging station. Enter the necessary details regarding the location and specifications of your charger. Attach any additional documentation if prompted during the registration process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.